Cars can be pretty complicated, but sometimes there's no excuse for bringing your car in like this. This is customer states. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that whenever they use their headlights, their car horn honks instead. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's an extremely loud noise coming from the rotors. The entire mechanic's workshop street could hear the noise.
Customers complaining about a loud noise coming from the front right wheel. All fixed.
Check out the Bluetooth ball joints on this Elantra. The only thing holding it on is the rubber boot, which the customer stated had been driven like this for weeks.
Uno memento. That's some tie rod play.
This customer brought their vehicle in after it had ran out of fuel the same day he just filled up an entire tank.
Alright, customer stated she filled her vehicle up full of gas, took it home, parked it, came back out the next morning and it wouldn't start. Said the gas light was flashing on. Well, everything looked normal until I got over here where someone drilled a hole in her gas tank and stole all her gas. People can't pay $4 a gallon, so they're back to stealing it. Everybody keep an eye out.
This customer brought in their sports car complaining of a knocking noise in the rear during high speeds. I think we can see why. This customer brought their vehicle in with a twisted serpentine belt. The belt had caused all sorts of damage on the way out when it got stuck in this awkward position.
We've got a twist right here, another twist up there, and that on the crank.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car randomly shut off without any warning signs, absolutely none at all, and denied any claim of perhaps hitting something.
Customer states, just driving along and then the motor shut off. Now,
This customer brought their vehicle in as it keeps losing traction, but denied new tires, stating that she doesn't need them.
That's it. You seen it? Look at this shit. I got this for my old shop.
This customer brought their unsalvaged title vehicle in demanding new brake pads, but nothing else fixed. The mechanic shook his head and complied. This customer drove their vehicle into the shop claiming that the car was shaking on the motorway and wanted a cheap and easy fix. The mechanics were shocked to say the least.
Customer drove into the shop like this. Okay. Good. Good.
Good. Good.
This customer brought their vehicle in and told the mechanics to use the jack spots despite it being completely rusted out, then complained when the Bondo fell off the car. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there was a vibration when driving and has been ignoring the problem for months and drove their car in like this. This customer brought their vehicle in a few months ago for an oil change, then on the highway blew a hole in the motor and caught on fire from the oil, demanding the mechanic pay for a new Ford RS.
Oh yeah. Ford. Oh yeah. There's a hole in the block, my guy. After it spilled its guts on the highway, said guts caught fire and roasted the back of the car. Tech-Tech's good though.
This brand new Ford Explorer had water getting into the vehicle and had to have the entire interior removed and replaced, costing over $26,000 in parts alone.
What 26 grand looks like for all interior parts for a 2021 Explorer ST. There's that pile. There's another pile. There's the seat covers and all the insulation, plus the drain tube. There's the airbags. All for this brand new 2021 ST that had a pond in it because of a water leak. So this whole interior is getting gutted on a vehicle with less than 8,000 miles on it. Yay, Monday!
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.